Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So if you are interested in learning how to take care of your hair while it's under wigs, please keep on watching. So I'm going to show you how I like to care for my natural hair underneath my wigs. So let's get started. So anytime you're going to be wearing wigs, you should make sure that you have a wig cap underneath. As we know, wigs are kind of rough on the inside. And you know, this material can cause some damage to your natural hair. So just make sure you're always wearing a wig cap so that you have something like a barrier between your hair and the wig, okay? So while I have this wig here, let me just talk about it really quickly. So this is the headband wig. Let me take some of the bobby pins out. Okay, so this is the headband wig, and this is what it looks like. You know, I forgot to check if I have food in my face, so I'm gonna do that now. I was just eating lunch. All clear. Okay, so this is what the headband wig looks like. Of course, it has the headband on the outside, and it has the Velcro for you to clip, for you to secure the wig to your head. Now, I've had this wig for a long time, so my Velcro is not working as well as it did, and this band actually started to stretch. So the wig has 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, and then of course there's 1 to secure it at the back. So 3 in the front, 1 in the back. And I won't lie, the wig definitely sheds a lot, and that's part of the reason why I wear it in a ponytail most of the time, but you can style it and wear it down. So before I forget, I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. I always order all of my wigs from them, and I have not had any issue, except with the last batch of wigs that I ordered. Someone stole it off my step, so I guess they thought they were getting something fancy, but then they wind up just getting a bunch of synthetic wigs. Whatever. So anyway, what I like to do to my hair is I will moisturize it first. So it doesn't matter if I come home and I touch my hair and it feels dry and it feels like it needs some moisture, I'm going to add some moisture. I don't have a set day or set schedule as to when I like to add moisture to my hair. If I need to do it twice a day, then I do it twice a day. So you take your spray bottle, you spray your hair. And you can be as generous with your water as you like. Make sure it's getting on the scalp as well. So it doesn't take long to do. I also like to squeeze the water into my hair. Okay, so as I'm going through my hair journey, I'm focusing this time around more on my hair porosity. So I've learned that you can have more than one type of porosity on your head. So I've learned that the front of my hair is high porosity, this area here, and the back of my hair in the middle is low porosity. So over the years, I have been treating my whole head as low porosity, and then I'm wondering why the front of my hair continuously keeps breaking. So now that I've learned that, I have been doing a lot more protein treatments on my hair. So, but I'll get into that in a different video. So I have a mixture for my protein treatment for the back because I don't need that much on the back, and I'll make a stronger one for the front of my hair. And since I've started doing that, my hair has stopped breaking in the front. Don't ask me why it took me years to figure this out. I just was like, I guess I just have low, you know, you do your strand test. I did it from the back and it was low porosity. And I just made the assumption that my whole head was low porosity, but this front portion just kept breaking, kept breaking, kept breaking. And so yeah, so I'm trying something different, and it seems to be working. So we'll see how that, you know, continues to play out. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with hemp seed oil. So I just pour a little into my hand, rub my hands together, and I just put it on the ends of my hair. Like I said in my last video, I no longer put oil on my scalp until it's time for me to have a wash day. So from here, what I like to do is just kind of touch any of my twists and see if anything feels like that it needs to be retwisted. I will just twist it then. This one. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to show you how I like to take out my twist. I start from the bottom, and then I just separate my own hair. So if it feels kind of dry, I'll give it a spray. Whatever product is left in my hands, I just push it into my hair. All right, so you get the gist. That's pretty much all that I do. And then I just take my wig cap, it on. It's time for another wig cap. I got a gigantic hole here. Tuck all your hair in. So when I'm putting on the headband wig, I just like to put a little ponytail in it first. It just makes it a little easier to put on. So I put a ponytail on it first. And then I take the first clip and I put it at the front of my hair. Now it does have side clips, but I don't use them because I noticed that it was really pulling on my side. So I just kind of pull the wig down a little bit. I use the band. And then in the back, I take my band and I tuck it under the wig. And I use the combs. Then I take my headband, put that on first. So you can leave it out like this. Or you can give yourself a loose bun. just take some bobby pins and you secure it. And that's it. And I'm good until the next time I take this bad boy off, which is when I get home from physical therapy. Tonight, I'll take it off, I'll go to bed, and I just do the same thing over and over again. So what I've noticed is the less that I touch my hair, the better my hair does. I am just on a very simple, natural hair journey. I'm following my own rules. I'm following my own instincts. If it makes my hair feel soft and you know, manageable, those are the products that I'm sticking with. If it happens to feel dry, brittle, I'm moving away from those particular products. So in my next video, I will show you my wash day routine. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Alright guys, and this ends today's tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know I was a little bit all over the place just trying to like get all the information in, but this is essentially how I like to care for my natural hair. I am following the simplest natural hair routine that I can possibly follow. I've cut down on the amount of products that I am currently using. Right now, when it comes to like just caring for my hair under the wigs, I have 3 products: water, hemp seed oil, and the moisturizer, the Lush Cream Moisturizer from my line, and that is it. And I'm having a lot of success. So I hope this video was helpful. I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay warm. Have a wonderful weekend. I love you, and bye. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.